So.
Yeah, they're doing a lot of upgrades here as well. So great to see that for the series as we go green with Optima batteries.
It's the ORTEGA Junior Ones out on the track, the Ungus division. The Berry Boys. Luke took the big win yesterday. Chase was second, I believe. Birdie Glaze third. Then we got Samuel Gibbs and Brixton Word out there. Some more up-and-comers, some of the younger drivers in the Junior One. They're also
young but so talented, man.
Yeah, but talented drivers. Heck, they drive better some of the people I see driving on the freeways.
Well, you even said it yesterday, too. You know, a lot of these kids have fathers or, you know, brothers, cousins, aunts for all that that race, too. So, you know, likely been in the family, and great to see the continuation on this next generation. Dude, I was just telling him about LaBou Fedora.
Oh, LaBou Fedora. It's great to see Ruben, you know.
So good.
You know, he's already looks like he's recovered, looking good.
Yep, he said that he missed us yesterday. And
I miss him, too. He's such a good guy. We had the pleasure of seeing him at a lot of good events.
You know, he's come out and done a couple of our events, and always love it when he's there. The food's great, and always can look forward to a smile from him and his team.
Oh, yeah, his family. Whole family, it's great. Got a bunch of family restaurants around there, too, so that's kind of cool. They bring their awesome, authentic food here to us.
Authentica.
Yeah, look at this coming around. Good little lead by Luke, but it was kind of like this way the opposite yesterday. Chase led.
Back and forth, yeah.
Led the whole race, and then, you know, Luke got by him, or you know, Luke got passed by Chase again, and Luke got him back.
Yeah, great run here out of Chase, and Luke there in that number 2 spot. Brody Glaze, the 225. Sitting in the 3rd spot with Brixton Wirt and Samuel Gibbs rounding out the field.
Our little micro missiles.
They're getting everything out of these little vehicles.
John and I were just talking about a good old buddy, Doug Fleming, who did all the sealed motors and all the trophy carts, and I think they just mail those motors to him now.
No, yeah, I think that's what he was saying.
Yeah. Lick a couple stamps, throw it on your motor, and put it in your mailbox. Come back, oil's dripping out of your mailbox. Smells like you got a fuel leak in here.
Wasn't like this when I bought it.
Yeah.
Good run up front here.
A little bit tighter this race.
Yeah, I think so. I think you're right.
It sounded like Wirt and found a little speed there. Glaze, though, right up into it. Got Samuel Gibbs going through the chicane right now, having a good time. These are, you know, basically just scaled down, you know, trucks. They're built the same design structurally, you know, for reinforcement, all the safety stuff that all the big drivers just, you know, little Subarus. And then I know the Junior 2s went to the Hondas. Really, like 265 cc's or something like that, I believe. Looking at the points on this one right now. So Luke Berry, a points leader right now with 377 points to Chase Berry's 364, Brody Glaze a 336, Wirt 324, and 286. I'm sorry, Gibbs, and then Wirt. So Gibbs got 324, and Wirt's got 286.
The name of the game's consistency, buddy.
Yep.
Got to show up.
Well, Luke's trying to do that here today in this championship run, though. But, you know, he's still got rounds 9 and 10 to worry about. This, again, round number 8.
So they'll tag the tail end here of our pace vehicle, that Can-Am machine, and we'll get racing back underway. Push to mute. That's nice. Got that new setup, huh? Got that new. That's our new that we didn't have yesterday. A what? Yeah, put it in hold.
All right, they're lined back up here for the second run.
That final push right here, Dave, and you said it. Final push for some to maximize some points here towards this championship and go into the break.
Oh, Chase is going to be pushing brother Luke. Brody Glaze right there. How about that? Look at this. Brixton Wirt getting up in there, and Samuel Gibbs keeping that hammer down. Get up on the bumper, follow their lines, learn. Love watching these kids. When it clicks sometimes.
Yep. No, you're absolutely right.
All of a sudden, that kid's got twice as much speed, you know, when it comes to another race after they get a little time under their belt. Luke Berry out front once again. Chase, a little wiggle waggle there. Scrub a little speed. Not bad, though. Brody Glaze keeping them in shot, as well as Brixton Wirt.
Yeah, Chase looking good out front, not succumbing to any pressure from Luke. Oh, look at Glaze trying to get that move up the inside, see if he can get a drive.
He's going for 2 on that one, it looks like, for a second.
If we can keep that speed up, carry this outside here, getting into the chicane. So follows back in line here through turn 3. Oh, but take a look at Wirt right here.
Yeah, Wirt's right on the bumper of Glaze.
Yeah, crazy going for second 1 minute, and now you got 4th place knocking on your door.
Whole different race today than it was yesterday.
Good little drag race here between 3 and 4 of Wirt. So Wirt going to fall back in the spot right here as they come into turn 6. We'll see 2 to go this next time by. Oh, here we go. Diving to the inside is Luke.
Or Chase, right? No, I'm sorry. Yeah, Luke.
Oh, Luke going to get the spot right here up the inside. Going to take it over.
That's what they did yesterday. Exact same thing. Once again, the 224 Chase Berry getting past there by Luke in the 236. Then you got 225 of Brody Glaze. 241 of Brixton Wirt trying to get in the mix too.
I got the drone right in the mix here too. Just, man, could barely even slide that thing in between both these drivers here.
They don't get a piece of paper in between them.
So Luke making the pass right when he needed it. And he'll spot
that's
that
what happened yesterday too.
White flag this time by. So let's see if Glaze can carry that speed that he's been showing us here down through turn 1 and down into 2.
Luke gets it again this time. See if he can hold it. See what Chase is going to answer back. Or Brody Glaze and Brixton Wirt. Carrying a little speed there. Look at this.
Oh, up the inside. Turns him. So Glaze looks like getting the tail end right there. And not going to help his situation as he's going to drop a position as well.
May just
But will maintain that spot. So what once was your leader, unfortunately now into fourth. Brother Luke down in the final corner here for the A.M. Ortega Junior 1 kart main event. It's looking like Barry, Wirt, Glaze, your top three. We'll see how it comes out. At the checkered. Luke, Wirt, Glaze.
Wow. That was an interesting one.
Twas. I will join them down on the podium.
John, thank you so much. See if any reviews, there's any calls on this one right now. We're checked out. So we'll get down with the podium in just a moment with John Zmanovich. We'll be right back.
Let me guess, Brody? Yep. Straight T-bone.
All right, so we'll get our A.M. Ortega Junior kart drivers up into the podium. We got third position, Brody Glen still getting
Himself unleashed there from that vehicle. Brixton Wirt in that number 2 spot. And how about Luke Berry coming in the as the closer. Takes the win here aboard the number 236 machine. What's up, dude? Reaching for the trophy is Brody Glaze and some knuckles right here. Hey, third place. Got to feel good about that. Consistent for you, I think, all race long. Man, tell us about the race.
It was hard to get past when I couldn't, and on the last lap in the second corner, I came in too fast and too low, and I spun him out.
All right, so a little bit of disappointment I can sense on your behalf. I know you got a lot of people in your corner that help you support in your racing efforts. Who would you like to thank, Brody?
I'd like to thank Johnson Racing, Titan Electric, Arizona PPE and California PPE.
Hey, good work out there, dude. Put a smile on right here. Come on, you're third. You're on the podium right here. Hang that thing up real high. Brody Glaze, Brixton Wirt down here in that number 2 spot. Brixton, you just kind of hung out. You're like, dude, I'm just chilling. It's Sunday, right? Dude, you ate your Cheerios this morning. You sure did, sir. You're starting in that 4th spot. Kind of came up, real consistent. What happened? What did you see between them that just, hey, I'm going to make the move right now and get into that number 2 spot? Tell us about it.
I tried to pass really quick before the checker. I couldn't do it until they made a mistake.
Hey, mistakes were made on their behalf and success on yours. Who would you like to thank?
Buxa, Web Juice, Pro Eagle, my dad, my grandpa,
Come on, dude.
my mom. That's it.
Hey, sounds like a solid list right there. Brixton Wirt taking home that number 2 spot. In the closer right here will step up to the top spot. Luke Berry, man, the closers receive 8 hours of free session down on Mountain High, bro. What do you think of that?
Sick.
You a skier or a snowboarder?
Snowboarder.
Or do you inner tube down it?
Probably inner tubing.
I like your style. I'm down for that, Luke. Hey, Luke, great racing out there, man, and you certainly made the move in the closing lap. You probably didn't see what was going on behind you, but, man, great pass there in the end. How'd you do it?
I kept on my spotter, my dad kept on telling me to draft your brother, pull away from Brody. And on the straightaway, I knew I kept on catching up to him, and then I tried going outside, and my spotter said, you're not going to pass on the outside, and then the next lap I tried the inside, and he didn't get his inside, so I closed in.
Made it happen right there, the closer. That's what we're talking about. Hey, Luke, who would you like to thank?
I'll thank my mom, my dad, Straight Edge, the Boat Guy, MRC Construction, DWT, Rugged, Sparko, and God for keeping me safe.
Hey, good work out there. Big thank you to you guys putting on the show. We appreciate these young drivers for the AM ORTEGA Junior 1 KART main event. Brody Glaze taking home that 3rd spot. Brixton Wirt in number 2 and the big champion here on the day, taking home the main event win here, round number 8. Give it up for a good buddy right here, Luke Berry. So Optima Batteries powering us here through the day as we'll send it back up to you with plenty of great racing here this afternoon, Dave.
Well, little track maintenance going on here. We'll be back racing here just a moment. Coming up next, mini stocks, mini opens, and open V8s. Get it all prepped up for them. We'll be back in a few moments. All right. Looks like our mini opens, mini stocks, and open V8s rolling out on the track. We got Brian Cannon in the 73. We got Thomas Madigan in the 47. Anthony Chusey in the 36. Ryder Palmer's going to be in the double sevens. Robert Orr in the 15. Brent Venistra in the 70. Billy Madigan in the 57. 98. Hunter Lazalier and 1405. Reno Navarra. John, they're watering victory lane for you.
Nope, they're watering victory lane for you, sir. You will be up next.
Oh, no, you said you wanted this class.
Honor these young and talented drivers that we're going to see here in our mini stock, mini open, and open V8 class as the field falls into place right now behind our pace vehicle. Main event number 4.
So we're going to run till 11 a.m., races 1 through 5, and then 6 through 11 will be from noon to 12:30 today.
Perfect. So closing right here and that midway point. There's race 4 out on the track. Race number 5 in the staging now. And then everybody else kind of getting squared up and ready for the main event. And good for some of those drivers maybe that we see in the morning that are transitioning into the bigger vehicles here in our show. So first full field that we will be seeing here this morning in race number 4. Pace vehicle off into the infield now is Cannon. Tom Madigan going to lead us down here into turn number 1 as we look ready to spot that Optima Batteries green flag. And we're running down into turn number 1. So again, Cannon, Madigan, Palmer. Palmer will be the leader in the mini stock class, along with Anthony Chusey, Veenstra, Orr, Lazier, Madigan, and then this lone soldier in the open V8, Reno Navarra. Going down into turn 5. Freshly groomed prep track here at Glen Helen. Wonderful job on behalf of our track crew and safety personnel. So again, Cannon.
Well, a great start there for Reno as Brian Cannon tries to reel him in there. 2 different classes once again, but man, look at the 47 of Thomas Madigan running second in his class behind Cannon. Out like a cannon once again.